Hey, check this out. These are the perfect coins you can use for practice. They feature a unique ridge design that resembles snakeskin, providing better grip. They have a 2.6 millimeter thickness and a 40 millimeter diameter, a size specially chosen to provide better handling and make coin manipulations easier and more comfortable to perform. They're built for heavy use because they're made from high-quality stainless steel, making them extremely durable and built to last a lifetime. The great thing about these practice coins is that you don't need to damage the design of your own coins by constantly sanding them down just to make them softer. These practice coins already feel like soft coins, so there's no need for any filing or modification, allowing for smoother and cleaner performances. You will receive 5 pieces of practice coins when you purchase this set, allowing you to perform a wide range of routines, such as coins across, 3 fly, winged silver, and many more. So what are you waiting for? Grab yours now, available at OGIEMagic.com.